I think that we're going to check out Stacy from Westalee. So Westalee is a family-owned business. They work with us every year. We have their products available on our website, AllBrands.com. And they recently just acquired the Westalee name in the United States. So they are the creators now of the new Westalee lines that you're going to be seeing coming out that work with their phenomenal ruler foot. Oh shucks, and I see that they're very busy. So let's just look at some of their products while we're waiting. Okay, so if you're not familiar, Westalee is quilting templates. Oh, look, are you available? Okay, I have a microphone for you.
I even get to clip on a microphone.
You don't have to scream.
Awesome.
All right.
Hi, everyone.
This is Stacy Louie from Westalee.
Yes.
Yes.
And Westalee Designs. So
I was telling them that. So now all the new Westalee templates that come out are designed by Westalee now.
So everything that Westalee we have for Westalee, Westalee is the manufacturer. We've done some really cool stuff with creating some content for education.
Yes.
So we've got tons of new education opportunities that are rolling out this year.
Yeah.
And I think you guys are going to get some more of those.
Yeah, we have and more coming to our stores.
Yes, you do.
So if you want to learn more about that, you go to our website on the front page, so www.allbrands.com.
Okay.
You click on major events, and it will be listed under there, and it's going to have the big Westalee logo
and
on it.
I bet that there might be some people out there that have purchased some rulers, some templates, that haven't used them yet.
Yeah.
And it's okay. This is why Anne's coming. She's going to teach you guys how to use your rulers and get you excited. Mm-hmm. And then you're going to start quilting your UFOs at home.
Yeah.
So you're going to actually start finishing some of your quilt tops and being able to, use those rulers that you put in the drawer.
And if you don't currently have the ruler system, when you get to the class, you get your ruler foot for free for coming.
Yeah.
So, and then there's 2 classes back to back. It's like a beginner and then more advanced right after. So for 2 days. So you can take one or the other or both.
Perfect.
But if you take both, you get to save $15.
That's perfect. So you're going to have the opportunity to learn like a variety of designs then.
Yes.
So it's going to be more than the sampler set. That's exciting.
Yes.
Yep. I think I might come out and take it with you guys.
So this is, and I remember a few years ago you came and taught that class at our store. So that's really cool.
So I've been out to see everyone. So should I tell you what's new?
Oh.
What do you think? Is this a what's new time too?
Yeah, this is.
Okay, cool. So, Westalee, we always like to have some new stuff when we come to these events. So, we have our new spring collection. So we just are launching our spring collection here at this event. The spring collection is an assortment of 5 different rulers. We include 2 of the new Paisley designs. So Paisleys are these really fun little designs that allow you to kind of create an awesome fill. And then we have a couple of different spinning designs, and we have our between the lines templates. So what I am encouraging is this would be amazing for like a printed fabric where you want to fill. And so I want you to show them that inspiration right back here,
with the
which is a
Westalee
panel.
rulers.
So can you imagine grabbing like a printed fabric and then just having fun? So this is one of the templates in the set. It's the Between the Lines template.
Yeah.
You can kind of see that there. But you could see how you could fill this in with the Paisleys. You could fill it in with like some of the mini Spin-e-fex designs by kind of doing the center as a big Spin-e-fex design.
Yeah.
So this is using different rulers, but the concept of instead of creating a specific design, but using using the templates to actually fill in a fabric panel is just yet another really fun idea.
Oh my gosh.
So that's where the spring collection is kind of stemming from. And so we're super excited. I'm always wowed when I see this dream panel.
Yeah.
Because there's so many people that have done amazing stuff with this. Linda Hall is one of our accredited teachers, and she created this one for us.
Yeah.
So that's just one of our new sets. We also have the Paisley set that is available as a 4-piece set. So you can buy this in sizes 1.5 up to 3 inches, half-inch increments. We have something that we've been asked for a while, so we're now launching the mini quilt class in a bag. So this is a mini Continuum. We had the quilt class in a bag, and it's this really big quilt, like 78 by 87. Really, really cool, amazing designs. Now we have the miniature version, and I'll have you show them the quilt itself.
Oh, got it.
So this was quilted by Mindy, and I call her Mom. But this was using the smaller version of templates. So we have the mini quilt class in a bag available in 2 different sizes of templates. And then the smaller version of this, you can get the full kit, including the video-based education, the Crosshair Ruler for $75. So that's a super deal.
That is good.
And the next we launched, so then
that's a significant savings from
the other one's $110.
Yeah.
For the bigger templates, and and that one comes in a big fancy bag. It's the Yazzie bag. And so this one is not such a fancy bag, but again, it's a price,
you get to get started.
You get some, get a different option.